Another heat loss from the boiler is the heat loss due to radiation and convection. The heat losses from a boiler consist of loss of heat by radiation and convection from boiler casing or casting into the surrounding boiler house. Normally, surface losses are and other unaccounted losses is assumed based on type and size of the boiler as shown. For industrial fire tube or packaged boil, it is considered to be 1.5 to 2.5%. For industrial water tube boiler, 2 to 3%. For power station boiler, 0.4 to 1%. Or you can calculate by using below formula. If we know the surface area of the boiler and its surface temperature, by substituting both the values of surface area of boiler and the surface temperature in the below formula, you can also evaluate the radiation and convection losses. Why they happen or why this loss occurs? As we know, any hot body emits radiation. So, as boiler is a hot body, heat from the hot boiler walls travels outward via electric magnetic waves to the cooler surrounding environment. Also, radiation along with convection. Convection is the air currents circulate around the boiler, absorbing the radiated heat from the casing and carrying it away from the boiler. The factors that influencing these radiation and convection losses. Surface area. As we know, boiler have massive surface areas. The larger the surface, the higher the potential for radiant and convective losses. Another is the boiler loading, because radiation and convection losses remain relatively constant. They represent a much higher percentage of total output when boiler runs at partial load. Another is the insulation condition. Degraded, wet, or improperly installed insulation significantly increase the external surface temperature, causing these losses to increase. How to minimize these losses? These losses can be minimized by using high quality insulation, regular maintenance, and optimized sizing of boiler.